we were sent the cutest fairy solar light. So I have her sitting right here. This is what she looks like during the day. She's pretty lightweight. And then you have that little solar there, this beautiful kind of cracked ball, and then that nice bronze. Now I just have her sitting right here, kind of leaning towards that light that we have installed. And then I'm gonna come back when it gets dark and I'm gonna show you how she glows. So let's see what that looks like. The sun is just now setting and here she is glowing. So beautiful. If I get really close, you can see the details. Underneath it, there's a button to turn it on and off. And I just think it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous and magical.